On the fuck. Get that click on the door.
So tell him what you did. Then my boy Peyton, you already know who it is, man. Tell him what you got and what you switched up, because I know you had the that last box from the first time I met you. These are same zv4s.
I upgraded to the 5s.
Oh, zv5s.
And I got a Sound Digital 20K, and I switched all my doors from the PWXs to the UNs.
All right.
And the ports face them up because the back seats are in.
Oh yeah, because you had the amps and the batteries right here the last time, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
This is DJ Rusticals. Look at the flick of that wrist. Catching plays. Catching plays. I woke up feeling like I was on the moon. I woke up feeling like I need 100 goals. Look at the flick of that wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist. Look at that wrist. Look at that wrist. Look at that wrist. I woke up feeling like I hit 100 home. I woke up feeling like I had 100 shows. I still got some niggas trying to capture me. And these bitches in my section still fuck for free. Get that red. Get that clean. On the door. On the fuck. I ain't tryna tell you I'm a McClaren on him. 2015, nigga, this all you. If you ain't catch me play.